So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the y-axis as a currency on a Keynote presentation. So what I mean by this is that if you were to open up Keynote, add a chart to your design, so we'll just add this chart right here. If you wanted to make the y-axis, so this axis right here, a currency, instead of a number right here. The simplest way to do it is to press on the chart right here. Make sure that the y-axis is selected and press on the axis point. So if it says chart, press on axis right here. Scroll down to where it says value numbers, and where it says numbers right here, just simply press on currency. Now, as you can tell, the currency is selected. If you want to change the currency from Canadian dollar to maybe a Hong Kong dollar, you can do that. You can change this to whatever you want. If you want to go euro, you can change this to whatever currency you want. There's a ton to pick from right here, all of which can be presented on your graph, or I guess your chart, by just going down to whatever you want. So if you wanted to keep it on euro or maybe a Swiss franc, whatever the case may be, it is completely up to you. So very simple, very basic, very straightforward. That is how to edit the y-axis as a currency on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.